Okay, so we arrived at Raw Love, little vegan bar on the beach. And this little area here is for your bikes. So we rented these bikes and we just got to tie them up with the chain to a tree so nobody steals them, because it does happen here. People will steal your bikes if you just leave them unattended and not locked up. Hey guys, thanks for watching today's video. If you want to see more from us, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel. Only thing is, I don't know if this place serves alcohol. I think it's more, they might.
Sure.
I feel like I want to drink already. It's vacation, so you can have alcohol at 9 a.m. Yeah. So there our bike is in a little bike yard, safe and secure. So here they have a security check and they check your temperature and also give you hand sanitizer. Hola. Oh, he checked me before.
Yeah.
Thank you, gracias. Moore's got his sanitizer, very healthy. Day one we came here, they were under construction, under renovation, and the last day we're here for now. We were able to do that. make sure to follow our social media accounts where we'll be posting more content related to this YouTube channel. Okay, so here at the Raw Love Cafe, they have all kinds of entrees, coffees, drinks, hydration drinks, so like coconut water, desserts, acai, boosters, shots, all kinds of stuff. Lots of vitamin B and antioxidants. Is it good?
Amazing.
So this smoothie costs like $6 is the conversion, 130 Mexican pesos, here at our lovely Raw Love vegan bar with this amazing view. They have the nice chairs and kiteboarders. Today's a really day for Today's a really good day for kiteboarding because it's so windy. So I got a Frappuccino, which has organic coffee and cinnamon and cacao, almond milk. Looks really good. With this view, it's a good morning, good start to the day. So I just tried my Frappuccino and it has, wow, a lot of flavor. But really delicious. But I was surprisingly refreshed, but also very strong, so that's good. Delicious.